never ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Just say
Feels right.
Jamaica.
क्या बात है, मेहंदीपट्टनम पे सिग्नल लग गया। हाला ज़रा देख के गए तो होता खराब बैगन में मिल जा रहा मेहंदीपट्टनम। सो हेलो यूट्यूब, वी आर एट लकड़ी का पुल proceeding towards Ramkoti and I'm going on my Navi. As you can see, the bike is very dirty because poor thing has been neglected so much. Bichari, I'm surprised it's more than 6 months since I got it and it's just clocked like 5,000 kilometers. Today the Navi is gonna get some love. I'm taking her to Ramkot to do a little bit of modifications. Actually, I saw a Navi a few days ago in Ramkot, and though thoda overkill tha, but still, you know, it kind of looked different. And because Honda is also planning to come up with the adventure version of the Navi, but God knows when they'll do it and you know how it will be. I plan to do a little bit of modifications to the bike on my own. ये मेट्रो कब बनता कि God knows man, सलमान खान की शादी और ये मेट्रो का कंप्लीशन दोनों कब होते समझ में नहीं आ रहा. The bike I saw at Ramkot the other day was kind of looking like one of those miniaturized versions of the police interceptor. Kind of looked cool, different I'd say. And I already have this visor and that steel thingy around my front assembly. I'll probably be removing that and fixing the new visor because you know both would look a bit overkill. And also I plan to get the color scheme changed. I will go talk to my painter first if it's feasible. Navi has only one big part, this whole thing, which can be removed and you know painted. So I think painting का काम कल परसों होगा because already it's 5 o'clock and a couple of works. अरे ठहर भाई, अरे 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 हाँ. So that's why I love the Navi, by the way. And I'll be changing the handlebar because the handlebar is the only thing which reminds you that you're riding a modernized version of the Luna, though you're actually not. Anyhows, more editions are going to be made once we reach because Harish bhai and the folks at Ramkot never fail at giving me impressive inputs. Yeah. Enough is cut. So first let's go to my painter and ask him if the paint is feasible. If yes, we'll get it done tomorrow or day after sometime. अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई, खैर थे साहब, 2 बार आके क्या नहीं था. अच्छा साहब, हाँ साहब, ये वाइट पार्ट जो है कब शोरूम से खुल जाता है, एक ही पीस है वो. इन्हें कंपनी से बहुत गलीज पेंट दिया इसको, और इसको कंपनी से सिल्वर का ऑप्शन नहीं है. अपन इसको सिल्वर मार सकते हैं, यानी जो बुलेट को एक पल्सर में भी एक उसमें आता, देखिए बुलेट का मारेंगे और अच्छा ग्लॉस भी अच्छा आएगा. हाँ, कितनी देर का काम है वो? 2-3 घंटे का. I guess what I'm gonna do is check Harish bhai के पास what all I'm gonna get done to the bike, how much time it's gonna take, and remove this part there, give it for painting. Sir, it's just a 2-hour job, so why delay it? So yep, that's the plan. Get the dhancha open, give it for painting, bring the bike here, get the visor and all fixed. मजा आने वाला है. It's gonna be a fun day in Ramkot. कर देंगे शुरू. So once again we'll be starting off with the paint work. उसके लिए सफेद part निकालना पड़ता है. As you can see, it's pretty badly fucked. Honda has, I don't know what they've done. And if you remember, भाई from my last video, भाई ज़रा सलाम बोलना था सबको फिर से. Last time बहुत पसंद आया सबको. So we'll be getting this part removed, giving it for painting, and then riding the Navi stunt bike to get the visor fixed. as again I'll show you the paint procedure once this is dismantled. So to remove this part, we also had to remove the luggage box because there were 3 bolts again holding it together down below. We also need to remove the fuel cap and 2 more screws down below. A lot of screws holding it in place.
A lot of effort, the Honda people, there should be no vibration remain in the vehicle. In order to fix the parts accurately.
They've put in a lot of bolts.
Yes, of course.
Of course, Navi doesn't vibrate like the Activa and the other bikes do. It's all because of these bolts. Kudos to Honda for that. Putting all these parts aside. Be careful not to lose any nuts and bolts. 2 small of these here, and I think we are off with the body panels, and I'll be riding the bike naked. There are a lot of such lock ties, I don't know what they're called, I'm forgetting their name. Rivets, plastic rivets. This is all there is of the side part of the Navi, and I'll be riding it like this to Harish Bhai's shop. This is gonna be fucking epic. As you can see, the parts are being washed and the bike is completely, I don't know, semi-naked. Let's take her to Harish Bhai's. It's even more lightweight now. I just hope nothing falls off. चेन स्नैचर बोल के डाल ले रहे थे मेरे को.
चेन स्नैचर माँ क्या रहा वो माता चौथ उसको रिफॉर्म में देता है माँ से.
I want advice to all of you, if you want to come to Ramkot, मूत लेके आओ. I feel like peeing, but I don't really know where I can pee. Every time I come to a shop, he's standing on the opposite direction. क्या बात है, खाली दिख रही दुकान. How? We are opening the handlebar of the bike now because I want to change the handlebar also because it looks very dirty. And basically bike की पूरी माभन हुई हुई है, पूरी खुली हुई है गाड़ी. Once the handle visor and there will be an antenna mounted from this and probably a little messenger bag here. We'll think about that. Choosing a handlebar for the bike. It's gonna look a lot like a cruiser. So Harish bhai usually has a lot of crowd, but today luckily I'm lucky that I'm having some private time with him, so we both can decide what to do to the bike. There's not much confusion around, so all the handles have been laid out right there and I'll be choosing one. Unsa lagenge pehle? So we are getting the antenna changed. Salam bolna tha bhai pura.
Assalamu alaikum.
Bhai aap bhi. So we'll be fixing it here, making a small putty so it comes out a bit and looks straight. So the handle is being fixed. I just hope the cables are the right length. So the handle is fixed and we are just fixing back the cables. So it's a little tough job because the cables are very much tightened. So we have to loosen them up a bit to compensate for the longer reach to the electrical switches and all. So that's being done. A lot of bikes have been done up here before, the same Navi, so these guys know what they're doing. So while the handle is being fixed back, there are some problems with the cables. We are here at the paint shop and the paint is finally done. All thanks to him. Bhai zara salam bolna tha sab. So both the parts have been done and completed. We just have to fix them back. जल्दी वाइजर का काम हो गया तो ये भी लगा देंगे. And Honda, please look and learn from this paint quality. You have given me very shitty paint quality. This is excellent. ज़रा देख के सीखो और ज़रा upcoming batches में अच्छी paint quality दियो आप. So the bike is almost done. We just have to go get the panels fixed. The visor is installed. I'll probably get some graphics on it later. I didn't remove my small visor. The accelerator cable did give us a lot of trouble, so we had to reroute it. It generally goes from below this plastic thingy. Now it goes from here. So some wiring, taping and all has been done. So I'm heading back home. My friend was with me in Ramkot, so he'll be dropping me back home. I'm riding his new FZ25. So basically this is the first FZ25 delivered in Hyderabad. Basically the mechanic who had to fix back my parts ran away. Because he had some emergency at home, so that work is not done. So I had to leave the bike in Ramkot at a friend's place. I'll probably come back tomorrow, By the time I come back tomorrow, the mechanic promised that he'll get everything fixed and keep it ready. So I just have to come back tomorrow, pick it up. The bike is ready. We'll be shooting the shots of the bike tomorrow as well. The paint, everything is done. So yeah, I don't really advise keeping your bike anywhere at mechanics and all. I left it at a friend's place, so that's okay. So I guess that's about it. Let's wait for day 2 to happen.
Day 2.
बहारों फूल बरसाओ मेरा महबूब आया है मेरा महबूब आया है.
So hello YouTube, इधर आओ यारो, इधर आओ यार. अरे रिंकू शर्मा ने पहले के वीडियोस में नहीं आया क्या तुम? बैगन ओवर करते रहे. So I'm again in Ramkoti. It's day 2 and the bike is almost ready. It's here. इनकी बदौलत है. Paint quality looks crazy. There's a little bit of stickering work and all left. So let's go get it done. क्या बोलते चिप्पू, कैसी दिख रही गाड़ी? Bike is almost done. I just have to get the visor adjusted a little bit because it's a bit down from this side, and I have to get the stickers done. Must say, looks and feels huge now. मजे में सर. इन्हें इधर से थोड़ा अंदर है और जिब्रान क्या कि बटना मिलते बोले, वो बटना था
इसके ऊपर
दिख रही. Feels a lot more comfortable than my ER6 now. So we'll get the sticker work done at Khurshid Bhai because I don't want to go all the way to Sun City again and get it done. Get everything done from here itself and go. Hariyat Khurshid Bhai. This is my radium place in Ramkoti. Huh? Hariyat sahab. Lovely FZ. So it doesn't have the light tint which I want. It's dark. I want to put up a dark tint. So we'll just go get the visor adjusted and later on maybe Rajesh will get the light radium for me. So the tint will be done at home. Stickers also will be done at home. I am getting the horn fixed. That will be a horn with a switch. Lagta. And that's the horn you've seen in my previous videos. That will be there just for the fun of it. So the visor's been set, the horn's been installed, and the color, everything is done. Only thing remaining is the stickering on the bike and tint on the visor. I think we'll be doing that tomorrow or later on. So, and the antenna looks good too, right behind, right there. So I guess that's it.
12 o'clock midnight.
Getting the final touches to the bike done at Rajesh. Another high wall idhar palat ke sam. So as usual, his link number, everything is also in the description. The bike is outside and should be ready. After a couple of stickers, it did a little bit of a custom job on the thing, like a Navi Explorer.